What fittings do PVC, PEX, and copper pipes use? Imagine you're building a plumbing system that needs to last, work smoothly, and be easy to install. The right fittings are key to making that happen. Each type of pipe, PVC, PEX, and copper, uses specific fittings designed for their unique properties. Let's explore what fittings are used for each. Starting with PVC pipes, which are made of polyvinyl chloride, fittings are also made of the same material. These fittings come in many shapes. For connecting to pipes in a straight line, you use couplings. To change the pipe's direction, elbows are used, typically in 90, 45, or 22.5 degrees. T-shaped fittings, called T's, split or combine flow. Reducers connect pipes of different sizes, making transitions smoother. For maintenance, unions allow easy disconnection. Caps and plugs seal pipe ends, and crosses connect for pipes at right angles. Sometimes, you need to transition between different pipe types or sizes, so adapters are used. Flanges provide a bolted connection point for larger systems. PVC fittings are joined to pipes using PVC cement and primer, which chemically bonds the parts together. These fittings are common in cold water, drainage, irrigation, and venting systems. For residential use, Schedule 40 fittings are typical, while Schedule 80 fittings are thicker for higher pressure situations. Moving on to PEX, or cross-linked polyethylene pipes, these are flexible and use mechanical fittings instead of chemical bonding. The most common are crimp fittings, which use metal rings that are compressed over the pipe and fitting with a special tool. Clamp or cinch fittings use stainless steel clamps tightened with a tool, making installation quick. Push-fit fittings are popular because they don't require any tools, just push the pipe into the fitting, and it locks in place. Expansion fittings are used with expansion tools to stretch the pipe end before inserting the fitting, creating a secure connection. PEX fittings are often made of brass, plastic, or a combination of both. They are used for both hot and cold water lines and are favored for their ease of installation, especially in tight spaces. They resist corrosion and are durable over time. Copper pipe fittings are traditionally made of copper or brass. These fittings are joined mainly by soldering, also called sweating, which involves heating the fitting with a torch and applying solder to create a watertight seal. Compression fittings are also common. They use a compression ring and nut to tighten the connection without soldering. Push-fit fittings are available for quick repairs or installations, and they simply push onto the pipe, locking in place. Copper fittings include elbows, which are usually 90 or 45 degrees, T's, couplings, reducers, caps, plugs, unions, and adapters. Copper is used for both hot and cold water systems because it handles heat well and lasts a long time. Soldered joints are very reliable, but they requiring some skill and proper tools. Compression fittings are easier to install but might not last as long as soldered joints. In summary, PVC fittings are mainly plastic parts joined with solvent cement, PEX fittings are mechanical and push-fit or crimped, and copper fittings are metal parts joined by soldering or compression. Each type fits the material's needs and the system's demands, making sure your plumbing works smoothly and lasts for years.